Good morning, guys. We got to talk about ADA. ADA's it's been a little crazy coin over here. Long trades are moving into the blockchain and short trades are moving out. I will give you that hope and I will show you that here in this video. Let's go over this, guys. You guys know I start the video like this every day. If you guys are brand new, we are a channel that trades cryptocurrency like literally every day of the week. I take the weekends off to be with my family and rest, but I keep the Telegram channel updated. We're currently 91 for 91 wins. We've never lost a crypto trade. In the second half of the video, I will show you how to get into our trades, how to take every single buy limit, how to manage everything. I will show you that in the second half of this video. It's very, very simple. I want to dive in and just get really honest and real about ADA today. A lot of you guys are in this trade. I am actually in this trade. So can we just review for like 5 seconds here, and then I'll just dive into the analysis. The first entry was entered in on November 9th for 222. The second buy limit was hit over here on November 10th at 195. And the third buy limit got hit on November 21st at 152. And we have yet to hit our fourth buy limit. We still have cash in the market for this in case we drop back down close to $1. I do not want to be picked up at $1. I want to be picked up higher than $1 because I think everyone and their mother is going to try to get in at $1. So that's why I had that a little bit higher. We're currently sitting down 31.91%. Okay, I know it's down there a lot, but here's what I'm doing, guys. I am not going to sell this. I am just holding this position. Okay, I'm just going to hold it. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it. Here's what we're seeing, guys. As far as the trend exhaustion and price versus money flow, we're showing that this is still pushed down to the bottom red section here, and this is due for a move back up. It really is. I know I said that before, but when we're pushing down to these lower sections, we are seeing a little bit of a market increase. The reason why I don't think we've hit to a bullish market yet is because a ton of people are uncertain about what's going to happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum. We've pushed below this ascending, now it's an ascending resistance line. It was an ascending support line. And everyone is looking at this move right here that I called out yesterday in the Telegram channel. Not everyone, but we're looking at it, obviously. But a lot of the people in the market, if we crash down below 47,000 for Bitcoin, we could see the markets drop down further. For ADA, that could mean a push down to $1. Now, I actually would enjoy if this actually does move down to $1 so we can get another, I think it's like another $1,500 picked up here in ADA. And so we can get this buy limit lower. Because once we hit this fourth buy limit, this break-even entry here is going to start coming down. It's actually going to immediately save us money in the market while we have more money in. And once we get into the profit, we're going to make more money, okay? It's actually would be very nice if we kind of got a market crash over the weekend to get us into better positions. If that doesn't happen, that's fine. We could just be moving up here. But this is really interesting. Let's dive in right now. I want to get into the metrics, but I wanted to show this to you guys. Please watch this over the weekend. If we start seeing this pattern where we start seeing a move back down in ADA and we start going like this, and we start seeing the trend exhaustion start actually moving up and the whale money flow moving up, this means that whales and the price action, whales are buying the dip. That's the simplest way I can put this, is if money ever starts coming into the market here, while the price action is moving down, do you guys clearly see this here? This shows us that the whales are buying the dip, and this is when we see shots back up in the price. Okay, it's very clear. You guys can literally look behind the charts of what's happening here with money, and that's why you guys want to get the price for swell money flow, the trend exhaustion. These are calling the tops and the bottoms before they happen. The drops, yes, we were able to call this drop over here because we saw us push in the top red section, and we did not push down to the bottom for a while. Well, money flow finally got to a high here with an overextension, and we just saw this crash back down, last Friday. So I want you guys to watch that. If this does head down and these metrics start moving up here, you guys want to watch for actually a move back up in price, because that will possibly be a bear trap to the downside and then see a nice move back up. So make sure you guys get these on your charts. They're in the description. I'll show you that in the second half of the video as well. Okay. Looking real quick at the trend dashboard. This is showing us that a lot of retail trader indicators, literally all 5 of them, except for the stochastic, they're showing bearish. So this could put into a lot of people's minds that don't know about these other indicators down here that they're just going to sell off. They're going to sell off and drop this price back down. Let's see if this support can hold. It is a very, very crucial weekend for the whole Bitcoin and crypto market. You guys need to be paying attention this weekend. 125 is the psychological level on ADA. If we break below 125, we could easily come back down to $1 here and crash 25 cents just like that. Guys, it's not to scare people. It's to say you better check your cash management right now in your portfolio. I'm sitting at 40% cash right now, and I am ready for this dip. Check yourselves and check your accounts. Are you ready for the dip with cash in your portfolios? All right. Watch the video I did yesterday. Once you guys get in the Telegram channel, please watch this video. I said, Bitcoin, are you prepared for a 30,000 drop? Check your cash now. Watch that video. It is literally going to teach you guys how to master risk management with cash in this market right now. Watch it. Do not miss it. Okay, I'll show you guys how to get in that Telegram channel in a second. Let's go over this, guys. This is actually a little bit, I know it's like kind of daunting on ADA, but I'm going to show you guys some metrics here that from literally a blockchain perspective, these aren't just biased metrics that are on my side. Literally what's happening on the blockchain is actually a little bit bullish right now. So let me show that to you guys. Obviously, ADA has just been straight up crashing. Like this, if you guys don't think this is a good time to buy, like you should probably get out of crypto. Like these are the greatest times to buy. And when the market's going up like this, you guys should not be just buying into the market. You guys know what you should be doing? You guys, when this market is up like this, your account should be in 50%, if not more, cash. It should be 50%, if not more. I'm going to teach you guys on this channel to trade professionally for a living, okay? And I'm not going to tell you guys when the market's pumping, you guys should be putting all your money in. No. When the market's pumping, you guys should be having the most in actually cash reserves, and so you can actually endure these drops. You want to know what happened the last, 30 to 60 days in the crypto market? Is everybody who made profits up here and they held their trades, they're all in a loss, and most people lost it because they over leveraged and accounts just disappeared. Guys, our account only went down 7.8% at the low. 7.8. You want to trade for a long time and actually trade this for a living and have money to like tell your wife like, hey, we still have money in our accounts. We're still actually doing well. You must master risk management. And I'm going to teach you guys how to do that on this channel. And that is why we have never lost a trade. And we are almost 100 for 100 wins on this channel. Okay. I'm sorry that was just like an extra little tidbit, but I want to just point that out to you guys. Take a look at this from a blockchain perspective. We are seeing long trades increase. I was waiting for this and I'm like, man, I really hope we come out here one day and see long trades increasing and shorts decreasing, because this gives me bullish sentiment in the market. Okay, now the price is going down. We are finally seeing long trades enter back in, which tells me the majority sentiment of retail traders, they are buying the dip, okay? People are buying the dip and they're like, can this really go down too much further? Like, look at where we're at, guys. Like, if you guys understand, if you've seen this happen before, $1 on ADA is like the craziest springboard you have ever seen on any crypto. Like this spring over here, that springboard here, that springboard here. Like, look at the percentages. I'm just going to pull this real quick just to give you guys some hope in here, because I think a lot of us just need hope. Can we all agree on that a little bit? So down here at $1, I'm going to put it at our buy limit. And you guys watch this right here so you guys can see this. So once our buy limit, if it does get hit, we ended up seeing a pump over here of 137%. Awesome. Let's take a look at this over here. We dropped down here and we started shooting up again. 83%. All right. Start watching again over here. This pump down here at the bottom wick, it bounced off perfectly. 70%. Let's take a look at another one. We bounced over here. We didn't head up super high, but how about a 46% jump? Like, that's actually pretty nice. And how about this bad boy over here that went up 100, let me get it correctly here, went up 193.27%. This is why I'm saying I am holding. I am not going to sell out here, because I'm giving this all to you guys. Master risk management on this channel. Here's what a lot of you guys are thinking right now, and I don't blame you, but let me correct you here, if I can. I'm not your financial advisor, but let me correct you here. A lot of you guys are thinking about bailing out on ADA right now and selling to try to grab a lower price. If this thing starts shooting back up and you guys are not in a trade, you are going to kick yourselves for not staying in the market. I do not believe it is smart to try to sell positions right now in ADA just to buy lower. I do not believe that's a good sign. Just because it happened over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times in a row that it bounced around $1 doesn't mean it can't start bouncing right now. What happens if you guys sell out in the market right here? It starts moving up. I guarantee that you guys, what you're going to do, a lot of you, is you're going to say, oh, it's got to go back down, because what's happening is you guys are actually theoretically losing on your position because you got sold out, and you know that if you kept your money in this market, you would have been in more profit. So mentally, you're going to be in a emotional trap, and it's going to tell you guys, oh, I got to wait for it to move back down. I got to wait for it to move back down. I've coached thousands of traders. I know you guys go through this. Or what you guys will do is you'll probably see it going back up, and maybe the smartest thing is actually to jump back in the price, because we could start moving up here soon. I'm just showing 137, 83%, 71%, 46%, and 193%. This is why I'm not giving up on ADA, and I have been telling you guys I'm not going to sell out of this position. You must be patient. Okay. Thank you for just letting me be like enthusiastic, but kind of strong on this video, because I've seen this happen to so many traders, and I've coached thousands amongst the years. I've coached plenty of millionaires who trade this markets, and I'm trying to teach them this whole idea that emotions are going to click buttons for you guys, and emotions drive this market. And if you guys can stay patient with me, I will show you guys how you never have to lose a trade again in crypto. We might lose a trade. I'm not saying we won't ever lose one, but you guys get my point. Okay. Let's dive in here real quick, and I'm going to show you guys how to set up the next trade for ADA so you guys can take into some profit. All right, it's neutral section. That's basically what I want to tell you guys. We're in the neutral section here. People are waiting to see what's actually going to happen with ADA, because we're not, crashing down. We're not very fearful, anxious. We're not very greedy. We're just neutral. We're kind of sitting in this area for a while. Moving down. Well, institutional smart money. They've been acquiring nothing but long trades here, except for the one time we saw a pump up in ADA. Wells institutions came out here and they shorted the market. Thanks, guys. And they pushed us all the way back down. If you guys want literally one of the most powerful metrics, I've had crypto quant, I've had Glassnode, I've had all those on-chain metrics. This metric right here is ridiculously accurate, okay? When you guys see long trades coming into the market where smart money and institutions and Wells, this price is going to move back up just like it did here. But if you come out here and you see a line come down here with a metric bar saying short trades are coming out, you need to watch for drops back down in the market. This is so accurate that when this starts pushing up here and retail traders get excited and greedy, this is where things are dropping really fast. You guys get access to all these metrics on every single one of our coins. It's insider info, if you will, because this is not provided on TradingView or these other platforms. I went off CryptoQuant and those other ones to code my own metrics, and not to be arrogant, but I thought I could do it better. I found this and I'm like, this is better than what I found on any other website. So that's why I've coded this for you guys, and I give it away to you guys for a ridiculous price. I know it's cheap. I'm upping the price soon. The price per swell money flow is up here. We're looking for this to actually be bullish. So I want to tell you guys, it is bullish from this perspective, all right? Support and resistance prices for ADA. To move back up here, guys, the greatest structure of resistance is going to be at $1.50, right around this area. So let's take a look at $1.50 real quick. $1.50 is right around this area, which is correlated to this structure low here and structure high there. If we start moving up, I am looking for this to be the greatest area we possibly see a move back down. This getting hit at $1.50 is most likely where the trend exhaustion as well as the well money flow is going to get to the top sections again, which I wouldn't doubt if we start seeing a move back down. It would be really, really nice to give everybody a Christmas gift and have this market just blast off before the end of the year. I don't know if that's going to happen, however, so this is why I want you guys to stay in cash. As far as a move up here, the greatest structure of resistance is 176 at the quarters theory level of 175. So 175 puts us right around this area right here. So I do think we could push up to 175 pushing into January, because guys, I don't think the market's going to keep going down any further. You guys got to understand this too. The people like Grayscale, all these other institutions, these big guys, they're buying the dip. They're not making money with all these big, like, you guys know Michael Saylor just purchased like over 4,000 Bitcoin like just 2 weeks ago. Guys, these people aren't in the market just to short the market. They're buying up the market because they know another pump is coming. Why would they put so much money into the market just to have it crash so they could lose their own money? Guys, if you understand that, like, we are due for a crazy move back up in the crypto market, and you guys are going to be like, wow, I wish I got in down at these low prices. Like this, you guys need to wake up. Like, come on, guys, wake up with me right now and look at where the market's at. We are so low. Like, I need to talk to my wife about this, but we may even inject more money into this market, because these are the times to buy. The millionaires are made when the price is low down here, and then we start shooting up 137%, 83%, 71, 46, and 193%. This is not time to be getting scared. This is time to be buying, in my opinion, okay? I'm trying to just get you guys jacked a little bit here. Dollar cost average entries. If you guys have come out here and you have $1,000, say 10,000, 100,000, a million, doesn't matter. Split it into about 10 different portions. So if you guys got $10,000, $1,000, placing that at each green line here is going to help you guys dollar cost average and just hold for 5 to 10 years. Those of you who are doing this now, and those of you guys who did it in the past back here, you guys reaped incredible rewards on the next bull market cycle. Guys, unless you think crypto is going to completely go away, get out of the market. I don't believe crypto is going to go away. I believe we're actually going to start moving up again here, maybe in this next 2020 year, and we're going to see profits. But now is the time to be buying into these lower dips, okay? This called the exit perfectly here, so the next time we do end up seeing price action move up, I'm going to be looking for this exit. All right, guys, just a passionate video for you. Let's get you guys into these trades so you can start winning trades with us over here. Here's the deal, guys. All the metrics I just gave you to call the tops and the bottoms to help you guys get market insight, $49 $49 literally gives you guys access to every single one of the metrics for all of our coins, including EOS. And I'm looking to add Avalanche as well as Mana, which is Decentraland, in probably the next couple weeks or so, moving into next year. I'm still working on coding those onto our server. But you guys want to come over here for $49. You will get all these metrics as well as not only metrics to watch the charts, you guys are actually going to get all of the buy limits, and you get me as a Telegram channel coach that I'm literally, it's like paying for a one-on-one coach every month for your crypto portfolio. I'm going to coach you guys in here and give you guys market updates of what I'm seeing. So $49 a month, just snag this today, guys, and set it up. I am going to be upping the price of this. I'll grandfather you in once you get this, okay? That's going to give you access to all the metrics up here, but here's where you guys want to hang out because this is where all of our trades are taken. Every single one of our 91 wins have all been called right here on this page where you guys click live trades. Scroll down here. Obviously, today we're talking about Cardano. I want you guys to click in here. This will give you guys the most recent updates for buy limits, all right? I'm going to go over Bitcoin to show you guys how this works. You guys can use the same approach. It's the exact same chart on everything. Price structures in white. Every chart this morning has 4 buy limits. Every chart has a sell limit. Here's how you guys read this. Let's go over this. You guys are going to take the trade allotment that you want to trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. You are going to split this into 4 equal portions, so 25% each, which would be $250 for this example of 1,000. You guys pick the amount. $250 here, $250 here, $250 here, and $250 here. These are the buy limits as of yesterday because these metrics update every day at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, literally in about 51 minutes because it's 7:19 right now. This will shift over to 12:10 because today is Friday, December 10th. Once this shifts over to 12:10, these are the official buy limits for that day. Set your buy limits up, and once your first buy limit gets hit, do not move any of the other buy limits down here. I want you guys to just set the sell limit up here for 100% exit. Once you guys have your buy limit set up, join me in the Telegram channel where I'm going to be giving you guys access into my thoughts, my philosophy of how to exit trades in the profit, where we have never lost a trade, ever. You guys want to do this. Come over here and sign up on your personal Telegram on your phone or your computer first, log into tradeconfident.io, and then click this link right here. It will open up a page for our members, and you guys will get a hot link to join us into the channel. We now passed 3,600. People are understanding that this is where they need to be because I'm teaching you guys very good risk management. I've worked with hedge funds in the past. I've even talked to Morgan Stanley, like the big bank, about indicators I've coded in the past of, risk management. I'm trying to teach this to you guys, and we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube. Not to be arrogant. Please don't take it like that. I'm confident because I've been able to do this for years, and I want to inject this confidence into you guys and actually help you trade profitable for a living. That's what we're going to try to do for next year, by the way. 2022, I'm going to show you guys how I can actually trade for a living, give you guys my expenses on a monthly basis, and show you guys how to start paying your Netflix bill, how to start paying your water bill, doing all these things in the market. I'm going to try to show that to you guys in 2022. It's going to be a very fun year. All right, guys. Once you guys are signed up for the membership, get into the buy limits, get into the Telegram channel, and do not miss getting the indicators. Guys, going into 2022, I'm not taking these indicators off my charts, just so you guys know. I'm letting you guys know I'm not taking them off. They are far too accurate, and we have never lost a trade. Get the bundle pack right now today. It is 81% off. You guys need the price for swell money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion to start trading with me on these charts. This is how I predict drops. It's how I predict pumps. It's how I spy on retail traders with the trend dashboard, because this is what all retail traders are looking at right now. All their RSI, stochastic, and MACD, and all their moving averages are moving down. I'm telling you guys, it's time to buy right now. It's not time to do what retail traders are doing, and all their indicators on here are telling them to sell. I personally, if I can be kind of blunt about this, get your moving averages off your charts, get the RSI, stochastic, and MACD off your charts. These indicators, these two indicators down here, don't use a single property of RSI, stochastic, MACD, or moving averages. It uses blockchain metrics to actually look at real volume data that's coming through for long and short trades. That's why they're so accurate. They're really actually using data on the blockchain. Not, some of these are going to be using more price action data versus actual volume data. That's why these are better, and that's why I don't even ever use these on my charts anymore. I spy on the retail traders to see if they're selling based off their metrics, and I buy when they're selling. And that's why it's one of the reasons why we've never lost a trade, okay? Get these 3 indicators on your guys' dashboards. On TradingView, you guys want to get the bundle pack because it's 81% off. I'm just giving you guys full disclosure of this. I am going to up the price of the price for swell money flow and the trend exhaustion and the trend dashboard this next year because they're simply just worth more than what I'm charging. It's not to be rude or anything like that. I just know the value, and I know this membership is worth far more than $49 a month. So I am going to be upping that as well. So come over here and do that before we end up upping that. All right, guys, everything you need is in the description. If you want to hang out with me and just take a look at some of the testimonials in here, I'll try to update some more over next week. I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to update a lot today. It's just I've been so focused on these markets and giving the guys the video and focus on risk management. I'll upload more testimonials here. We have tons in our arsenal, okay? This guy made $400 on Ethereum. God bless. You know, some people in here, I show you guys the people who are doing $20,000 with our 2 indicators. I show you guys in here do $1,700 in 10 days. This guy down here does, 50% account growth within 6 weeks, I think? Yeah, 6 weeks. This guy grows his account 50% within a matter of 6 weeks, and he's done 25 for 25 trades. No leverage, by the way, guys. Coming down here, let's just scroll to another one. This guy down here does $2,300 in a single day with 2 indicators. 61,000 tonight. We've had multiple people do 60,000. It's kind of a weird goal that a lot of people are hitting. This guy down here, ADA and EOS, up almost $20,000. If you guys can read that, I know it's probably small on your screens, but here, let me show this to you guys. $20,000 right here. You guys can see that. This guy down here does $4,000 off Cardano, watching the videos and using the methods. Like, these guys are paying their bills and they're trading for a living. Like, literally, I have a bunch of people who I coach who are trading for a living right now. $30,000 in 3 weeks. Let's just pull on to a few more here. $12,800 profit I made last week in Solana based off the metrics and the indicators that we have. $1,300. I'm so happy. Anyways, so on and so forth. 17K euro this guy made in one single day. Crazy, just crazy, guys. All right, let's end the video. I was gonna say something else, but no, we're done here. I want you guys to stay positive. ADA could just start blasting off here 193%, maybe 152, but 193%. I believe you guys need to stay positive. You should be celebrating because prices are so low, and you should be buying and having some cash set aside in case we go a little bit lower. We still have another buy limit to hit. If we get hit down here, it's actually going to be even better because our buy entry, well, basically our break-even entry will move down, and we'll actually get into the profit faster if we see a crash here. Make sure you guys get the indicators set up on your charts today for the weekend. Make sure you guys are in the Telegram channel by looking at those exits there. You guys need to get into the membership for $49 a month. That will give you guys access into the buy limits for all of our coins. It will get you guys into the Telegram channel. It will as well give you guys over here the access into the indicators. Now, the indicators are sold separately from the membership. I want to make that clear, but make sure you guys are getting the bundle pack today and setting that up because these prices are rock bottom and these prices will be going up, okay? Have an amazing weekend, guys. God bless you so much. Follow me in the Telegram channel with your membership. Once you get that, you get access into the Telegram channel. Literally, you guys can click right here under Telegram once you have your membership over here, and you'll get access here. I will cover things over the weekend if I see anything happening. I'm literally going to be your coach one-on-one in these markets to help you guys be profitable in trading for $50 a month. Ridiculously cheap. God bless you guys. Have an amazing weekend. Let's see if we can go 100 for 100 wins this month in December, and we're going to jump into 2022 with a blast, and it's going to be so much fun. I'll see you guys later. Everything you need is in the description. Bye, guys.